Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's teaching day here. Today we want to learning how to get free config for V2rayng or another apps. Let's start video. First you need to open Telegram and download an app from our Telegram channel, link in description. When you download it, we open it. First of all, you need to update config, and for this you have to click on this bottom, and when it's update we click on mess. After that we click on copy all, but you can copy one of them. Then we open V2rayng and click on plus and click on import config from clipboard. And find a config with good ping. Please like and subscribe. And share with your friends.